So we're here at a local person's like house, and basically what was just explained was last year when the earthquake hit Lombok, there was a lot of devastation and a lot of homelessness and a lot of houses lost. But now I'm here firsthand seeing it for myself. And after a year, this place is still not recovered because the government only gave them enough money to make do with one room. So these people have to live outside. The grandparents are living outside so that the baby can live indoors, and the grandparents do everything for the kids because the grandpa is disabled. He has to use crutches. And yeah, so then after this I'll show you other places of this house.
So this is what they were able to make with the government support. Ya, ketika kita sudah membangun bapak, kita jalan kaki dengan kalian, mungkin dari sini, dari mana ada pilar bambu, kita buat itu.
So Nick, what is this? This room is
the bedroom of the grandparents. So after the earthquake, they make like a temporary building where they could stay. But till now, the support of the government has been minimal. So they were only able to make a small home for the daughter and the son and the baby. And the grandparents decided to stay in here. And this guy who lives here, the grandparent, he does everything for the kids. So he paid their university because he wants them to get a good education. And he works around 10 hours a day to do that. But because he sends his kid to university, he does not have the money to do anything for himself. So till now he has to live like this. So he sacrificed everything he has to take care of other people. So
and you say he's disabled as well?
He's disabled, yeah. He has a disability with his legs, so he needs to walk with crutches.
Oh my. And how many people live in this establishment?
This is 2 people in this bamboo building, it's 2.
Okay.
And there's 3 in the temporary home that they were able to make.
Oh, really? Oh, 3.
Like father, son and baby. Kita nanti ada rencana gini. Nanti saya mau minta teman, karena ini teman saya dari yayasan lain. So Omi dari yayasan kami harapan baru, ini dari teman dari itu. Itu harapan baru sudah kerja lumayan lama bersama.
Alright guys, thank you all for watching this video. As you can see, the living conditions of this family is not the best, or not good at all. So what I showed you is the disabled grandpa and then the grandmother live on the outside of where the house used to be, on very thin mattresses outside. And then the baby and the mom and the dad live in that small little room that that was made with the money that the government gave them. But then you can also see that there's still so much destruction where they live. Out where their house used to be is just an open area with bamboo platforms to serve as some kind of like living room. And then you also see the kitchen and also the toilet. So the goal of this project is to rebuild, make the new structure of the house so that the family will have an enclosed house where they can all sleep inside together and not have to sleep grandpa and grandma outside, the baby and the parents on the inside, but to have them have an actual enclosed house. So that is the goal of this project, and with that goal we are asking for your support, either monetarily or by sharing this video, or just spreading the word. So if you can please just help out. You guys seen the last project that we worked on, the orphan school, and how successful that was. So if you could just one more time, or if you find any, just like $1 or something, just to donate so that we can help rebuild this family's house, and to have a more comfortable, more cozier place to live, because no family should live like that, especially when they have an infant baby with them. So please donate, please share, and thank you for all your continued support. Take it easy.